Hello everyone, welcome in day 5 of 75 day challenge लीड कोड 75 जहां मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूं 75 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ लीड कोड इन 75 days. All questions are interview levels. Let's check today's questions. So today's question is reverse vowels of string. So here what we need to do, that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and they can appear in both lower cases and upper cases more than once. So what we need to do, given a string S, reverse only all vowels in the string and return it. Like how? Test cases ice cream, case 2, lead code. आइसक्रीम लास्ट का ए आगे आ गया और आई हमारा पीछे चला गया. देन ई है हमारा, ई से रिप्लेस हुआ, नो चेंज. एंड हियर लीड कोड, ई रिप्लेस्ड विथ ई, so not any change. Then again O replaced with E, so we got a change. So let's see how I'm approached to this problem. Here we have class solution and a predefined function name as reverse vowels. Self is a parameter of class. Here self works as object of this function, and here we have a variable name as s passed as string, and what we need to return is that string. So let's make what we need to reverse, that is vowels in uppercase and lowercase both. So I make the variable name as vowels equal to a, e, I, o, u, and convert string s into list, because string is a immutable data type. Immutable data type is the data type in which we can't make the changes with their index, or just we add something, not replace or remove, but remove something, but not replace with any letter with other letter. So list is immutable. So what I done next, left and right, make two variables, stored left equal to 0 and right equal to len s minus 1. Why len s minus 1? Because uh, lanes store from one, counts from 1 to n number, and our indexing goes from 0 to n minus 1. So here I am stored left में in 0 in left, and in right lane s minus 1. So now what I am done, while loop left less than right, uh, this loop goes until left is less than right. So here we moved, if yes left not in vowels, what in left starting, at starting in first loop left stores 0. If yes 0 not in vowels, left plus equal to 1. If yes right not in vowels, right minus 1 equal, right minus equal to 1, that uh, decreases right with 1. So this helps us to find the vowels from left, helps us from the front side of the string to find a vowel, and right helps from the last side of the string to find a vowel. When if we find, let's take a scenario when we find first in from the front side but not from the inside. So what happened, when we find the uh, s left, the if loop of s left not in vowels stop loop, stops checking, and until this conditions not happened. When this happen, when both got a vowel and get replaced by self left comma equal to right, a self right stores self left. and left equal to 1 and right minus 1. Sorry, return. And what this could do, this could this statement changes the our list yes into a string and returns a list. Let's check all the test cases here. Let's first run the code. What happened? Our both test cases are satisfied. Let's run all the test cases and check what the number of test cases are there. We are able to say that there are 480 test cases are there, and we passed all the test cases. So thank you guys. We will meet next time tomorrow with honey question. Thank you. Have a nice day.